NASA has just received a truly groundbreaking image from the Blue Ghost lander, one that challenges everything we thought we knew about the Moon. Launched in January, this robotic lander, operated by Firefly Aerospace, has now sent back a stunningly clear and detailed view of the lunar surface, one that defies all logic and expectations. However, the most shocking revelation. A chilling, never-before-seen image revealing something humanity was never meant to witness. What exactly did Blue Ghost discover that sent shockwaves through NASA, forcing the agency to reconsider its entire lunar mission strategy? Hold on, because this revelation was so startling that it led NASA to halt all future lunar operations. This wasn't just a typical snapshot taken in passing. No, this footage came from just 75 meters above the Moon's surface, offering an extraordinary perspective that few have ever seen. So far, Blue Ghost has orbited the Moon 3 full times, with each pass bringing it closer to its final destination. Firefly Aerospace, the company behind this remarkable mission, assures us that everything is on track for a historic touchdown on the Moon's surface. If all goes according to plan, the world will witness this monumental landing in early March. But before we explore exactly what Blue Ghost captured, let's make one thing clear: what it discovered is far more unsettling than anyone could have imagined. And this is only the beginning. What makes this mission even more exciting is that Blue Ghost isn't just a basic lander. It's equipped with some of the most advanced, state-of-the-art technology ever sent to the Moon, including NASA-backed instruments designed to explore the lunar surface in ways no one has attempted before. These tools include highly sensitive sensors to monitor the lunar environment, alongside cutting-edge experimental navigation systems that allow Blue Ghost to travel more efficiently than ever before. Having already covered nearly 239,000 miles on its journey to lunar orbit, the lander is now in its final stages, carefully adjusting its trajectory for the impending descent. A critical moment occurred when Blue Ghost executed a vital engine burn, lowering its orbit and bringing it into position for a breathtaking flyby. This maneuver allowed the spacecraft to capture an exceptionally detailed view of the Moon's surface, particularly regions that had remained out of reach for countless missions before it. One of the most striking moments came when Blue Ghost made its way across the far side of the Moon, the region that has fascinated scientists and conspiracy theorists for decades. It's the part of the Moon that never faces Earth, the one shrouded in mystery. For years, people have speculated about what lies beyond the shadows of that hidden hemisphere. And now, for the first time, Blue Ghost has provided the world with an unprecedented glimpse of this enigmatic region. The footage is nothing short of stunning. What it reveals is a complex landscape of massive craters, jagged peaks, and rough terrain, a stark reminder of the Moon's violent history and tumultuous past. But here's the real kicker: it's not just the craters that are drawing attention. The crystal-clear quality of these images has led some to question if there's something more. Could these craters be hiding something beneath them? Are they just scars from a long-forgotten time, or do they hold something far more significant? Something that NASA and Firefly Aerospace might be keeping from the public. While many space enthusiasts are thrilled by this discovery, not everyone is ready to accept these images at face value. As soon as the footage was released online, skeptics began to question its authenticity. Could this be the result of CGI, or is it just an elaborate hoax? Some critics even pointed to the lighting and textures, claiming they looked oddly artificial. However, NASA has firmly confirmed the footage's authenticity, standing by the fact that these images are real. Adding to the intrigue is the landing site itself. What could be hidden there, in such a strange and unexplored region of the Moon? The Moon may seem like a place we've already explored, but there are still countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Some scientists even believe lunar dust has bizarre properties, including the potential to levitate under certain conditions. Could Blue Ghost be the first to investigate this strange phenomenon? If so, what else might it reveal? Remember, NASA's last crewed mission to the Moon was more than 50 years ago, and since then, many theories have surfaced about what Apollo astronauts may have witnessed during their time on the lunar surface. Some even believe that the astronauts came across unnatural structures or bizarre formations. And now, with Blue Ghost preparing to land in a region largely unexplored by humans, a pressing question emerges: could this mission uncover something that changes everything we thought we knew about the Moon? But time is running out for the Blue Ghost lander. Once it touches down, it will only have 2 weeks to complete its mission before the unforgiving lunar night sets in. During this period, temperatures will drop to extreme lows, rendering the lander's electronics useless. If Blue Ghost doesn't finish its work before then, its invaluable data and images may be lost forever. But imagine the possibilities. What if, just before its systems shut down, Blue Ghost manages to capture something truly extraordinary? Could it send back one final, earth-shattering transmission, a revelation that no one was prepared for? The timing of this mission is particularly interesting, especially with multiple nations and private companies racing to stake their claim on the Moon. Some are starting to wonder, is Blue Ghost scouting the Moon for more than just scientific research? The Moon is becoming a highly strategic location, with countries and corporations eyeing its potential for resources and future lunar bases. If Blue Ghost uncovers something truly unusual, what will NASA do with this information? Would they share it with the public, or would it be hidden away in classified reports? This curiosity surrounding the Blue Ghost mission has only intensified the world's interest in the Moon. But let's not forget, this isn't the first time humanity has tried to unravel the Moon's greatest mysteries. For centuries, the Moon has been a source of fascination, a giant question mark in the night sky that continues to pull people toward it with dreams of discovery. However, what started as simple curiosity quickly turned into a full-on space race. The two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, flexed their muscles, desperate to be the first to plant a flag on the lunar surface. The late 1950s marked the beginning of this space race, with the Soviets moving fast. In 1959, they sent Lunar 1 soaring past the Moon, marking the first ever spacecraft flyby. Shortly after, Lunar 2 crashed into the surface, proving that the Moon wasn't just a distant, mysterious body in the sky. Then came Lunar 3, which captured the first images of the Moon's far side, revealing an unseen, rugged landscape that stunned scientists. By the early 1960s, the United States entered the race, with the Ranger missions paving the way. These high-speed spacecraft functioned like crash tests, sending back images just before impact. In 1964, Ranger 7 provided the sharpest images to date, helping scientists pinpoint potential landing sites. But photographs alone weren't enough, they needed to land. That's when the Surveyor program came in. In 1966, Surveyor 1 achieved the first soft landing on the Moon, confirming that its surface could support a spacecraft. This was a crucial step leading up to the Apollo missions. The Apollo program changed everything. In 1968, Apollo 8 became the first crewed